our 6 weeks adventure, travelling in our caravan, heading from Brisbane to the Great Ocean Road in Victoria and then on to South Australia.
Today I'm in full caravan prep mode because we're about to head off on our 6-week road trip. One of the best things you can do before a big adventure is meal prep. Today I'm making healthy freezable mini quiches and muffins. Perfect for the quick breakfast and snack on the road, and they save both time and money when you're travelling. Here's what I'm using today: eggs, grated zucchini, cottage cheese, ricotta, some chopped bacon, sun-dried tomatoes, and of course puff pastry. Cut out rounds to line the muffin tray. I'm mixing all the filling ingredients together in a big bowl. This recipe is flexible, so you can use whatever you like. Cook for around 30 minutes at 180 Celsius until golden and set in the middle. While the quiches are baking, I moved on to cooking the healthy muffins. For these, I'm using almond flour, cottage cheese, bananas, fruit, and a touch of chocolate. Again, you can mix whatever flavors, depends what you like. Once everything is cooked and cooled, I pack 2 quiches and 2 muffins into individual freezer bags. That way, they're portioned out and ready to go straight into the freezer. On the trip, I just take out a bag each night. In the morning, the quiches get a quick zap in the microwave for breakfast, and the muffins thaw naturally in the car on the drive. Perfect for morning tea on the road. This little prep session has saved us so much time and money while travelling. No stress, no rushing to find food stops, and we always have something healthy and homemade ready to go. Thanks for joining us on the road. Hit subscribe to follow more of our adventures. Tap below to watch the full playlist of our 6-week journey from Brisbane to South Australia.